Mga kabuso, thank you for watching. Cheers, your California iced. Good evening mga kabunso and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mga kabunso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So mga kabunso, for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to make California iced tea. Yes, California iced tea. So for the California iced tea, you need this vodka. For the vodka, I'm using this Stolzenaya Russian vodka. And using for gin, beefeater gin, and tequila, using Cuervo tequila, and rum, white rum, Bacardi, white rum, and of course, amaretto. I'm using Murray Brisford amaretto, and cranberry juice, and orange juice, and sugar syrup, and of course, we need also my shaker. And so mga kabunso, let's start for California iced tea. So always remember, make it chilled your glass always. And for this time, I will make a full of ice. For using Pilsner, it's a big glass. So it's okay now, ready with your Pilsner glass. So we start for the second step, all the pure and alcohol. So let's start. First, vodka, 25 ml of vodka. And gin, 25 ml of gin. And tequila, 25 ml of tequila. Rum, 25 ml of rum. And for the amaretto, it's 25 ml of amaretto. And for the lemon juice, 25 ml of lemon juice. It's all equal. And sugar syrup is 25 ml of sugar syrup. And ice. Shake it, baby. Mga kabuso, for your shaking is only 8 to 10 seconds only. And remove the water from your glass. Tan-tan. There you go, your and fill up with the cranberry juice. Cranberry juice. Wow, very nice. Looking nice. And you can stir also. Nice color. And for the garnish, I will use this lemon wheel for the garnish. make it simple and nice garnish. And your straw. Here we go. So mga kabunso, your California iced tea is ready. Cheers mga kabunso. Mga kabunso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share all my videos and vlogs to all your friends. So mga kabunso, tasting time. This is my favorite segment for tasting time. It's good because of this amaretto and it's nice smell. Mga kabuso, thank you for watching. Cheers, your California iced tea.